Hello everyone, welcome to Curly FPV's training vlog, and today we are here at the park again doing some close proximity flight training that will also help to improvise my throttle control. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I got to fly my first ever Bando recently and I suck at it. The only thing that I can do in the Bando was flying straight, and whatever trick that I have up my sleeve after practicing for 8 months was only doing it outside the Bando instead of inside. Hence, I'm doing this video for you guys to see how close proximity, flying close to your subject, improve your throttle control. Yeah, so for the past 4 or 5 days, I've been training and training over and over again, and now I'm a little bit better. And another thing that I realized is when you do your trick nearer to the subject, especially while doing a split S or power loop, the whole video is much more interesting. And maybe you guys can also compare like what happens when you actually send your quad over to the moon and back, and also when you are actually doing it very close to your subject. Yeah, so let's go.
Acro mode.
I don't know if you guys have faced similar situation and feeling before. It's like you just can't fly. Out of all the sudden, you just cannot fly. I think I'll take a little, like 5-10 minutes break before I continue on. Yes! I'm back! Finally, everything came back, so right now we will do it again just to make sure that I've got the footage to show you guys what I really meant. Yeah, on this close proximity flying. Yeah. Even when you are flying on the ground, like flying straight, if you're flying that high, right? Okay, let me just show you guys this example first. So let's say if you're flying through a bunch of trees and you're going like this. It's nice, but there ain't any impact on it. But when you actually go like really low to the ground, everything just seems so much more dramatic. Now you get what I mean? Right, do you agree with me? And then when we come to a split S, usually last time I'll be doing this. Whoa! And then only I fly back. Right, so it don't look that nice. But what if we do this instead? See, it looks so much more nice. It's just you need to really control the throttle so that everything just looks smoother. Okay, I'm gonna try another one here with the split S. You need to be really slow and smooth. See, when you enter, you miss that shit, and then you review that tree. And then, yes, I think that is what I meant. Alright, so this is sending the quad up to the moon. And yay, I'm back to Earth. You see? So let's go for another one. Whereby something that I like, which is like just nice. Just nice. See, when you're back that time, and then you don't take like forever to go past the subject that you're power looping. So guys, that is what I meant by close proximity training that will also help to improve on your throttle control, because for close proximity flight, it is very important that you have full control on your quad so that you just don't whack into stuff. Right, so anyway, that is actually what I want to get out from this training, and hopefully for beginners like myself, you can actually try this training method also. Fly closer to the ground, and if you are doing a split S, try to come back nearer to your subject, and when you are doing a power loop, try to lock on to your subject to do the loop. I'm very sure the video footages that you see after that is gonna be much more interesting and much more impactful. Yeah, guys, the expert out there, I'm very keen to learn from you guys. So if you can give me any more pointers, I'll gladly try it. And hopefully you can also, with your comments, you can also help out other beginners alike. Yeah. So thank you again for watching this video. Hopefully I will continue to grow on this new FPV journey of mine, and hopefully I'll continue to get your support as well. So please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for new videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Curly FPV's training vlog. Bye-bye! Oh, by the way guys, I did a half Powerloop and a half Matty during one of my training, and that was my very first Matty, and I think it turned out pretty good. So let's just end this video with that video.